Hey there, I'm Douglas from Draftbit. In this video, we're going to be looking at the scroll to end action, how it works, how to set it up in your application, and how to automatically scroll to the bottom of a scroll list or view. The scroll to end action does exactly what it sounds like. It scrolls to the very bottom of a scroll view or list. This is super helpful when you want to review the most recent content like a new message or feed item. You want to guide the user to the bottom of a long form or term of service. You only need two properties. So the target component, this will be your list or scroll view. So you see in this example, we have a scroll view and it has a bunch of images. We can scroll through these images because they're in a scroll view. And below that, we have a button. And the goal of this is that when we click this button, it's going to scroll to the end. And then we go here to the button. Let's rename it to scroll to end. So when we click this button, it's going to scroll to the end. And how to achieve that? We go to interactions on press, then we search for scroll to end. We click this, and the first thing that we need is the target component. So what do you want to scroll to the end? We want to scroll to the end, the scroll view. Then it's that simple. So when we go back, as you can notice, we have these images, and right now I'm physically scrolling through, but then when I click this button, it's going to automatically scroll through the whole list and go to the end. So this is useful for applications where you have a long form, and when a user reaches a certain point, you want to automatically scroll. So you're like trying to help the user to scroll. So you don't have to put this on a button. You can put this on a certain action to say, when a user reaches this certain point, I want to automatically scroll to the end. And that's how you use the scroll to end action in Draftbit. It's simple, clean, and user-friendly. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.